We will show you how to correctly install a one-sided and two-sided HDWM panel into a premium server RSF rack. First, let's take a look at how to mount the one-sided version of the panel. We will need components of the cable management panel and a 3mm hex key. First, remove the side panels. It isn't strictly necessary, but will make the installation process easier. Fit the 19-inch rail with cage nuts at the marked spots. Fasten the panel to the rail with screws at the spots where the cage nuts are mounted. Now, let's take a look at how to mount a two-sided HDWM panel with covers. We will need components of the cable management panel and a 3mm hex key. First, fit the rail with cage nuts. Remove the covers from the panel. Fasten the cable management panel to the rail with screws at the spots where the cage nuts are mounted. Then fit the interior cover panels, which are used to close off unused openings. Finally, fit covers onto the panel.